the roof was working perfectly. You know, there are quite a few little bits of string up there. I'll have to cut those down at some point, but as far as it stands, it's really working. It's nice in here, nice view. Right, so the plan today, I'm just going up to do a cook up, and just to check it on this place, I think just to make sure that it's still standing, which it is. It feels solid. I might make a fire, maybe. But I'm hungry, I want to eat. I'm going to get my free coffee. Also, I got an idea for this piece of wood. I reckon you can use it as a shelf up in here. So, plan of the day is to cook up. I'm hungry. Probably trying to avoid the rain. I did bring my saw, my axe, my snacks, coffee, and gas stove. I'll do dinner on the gas stove. I can open it up. There it is. I think I might make a fire. I'll pull out what's in there. Reuse what I can. Yeah, I'm stoked with the tarp. It's actually worked really well. I know the whole place is really janky, but it's kind of the spirit of the whole place, to be honest. Use what you have around you and just enjoy it. I'm going to enjoy some food. It's a long day at work today. Shall we lighten this thing first? We'll see. We're good. Okay, right, let that boil. Noodles. Got myself my spork today. A Swiss Army spork. That water's nearly boiled already, that's quick. You can go over there. What can be reused? What cannot be reused? That's super dry, super dry. It's all super dry. Okay. There's a lot of string in here. This is all the off-cut stuff. It's maybe not so good for the ozone layer, but we burn it just instead of taking it home. Okay. Water's nearly boiled, but it's not there. Right, let's get the dry stuff. This stuff here. Right, light this fire with sanitizer. It's the last of the sanitizer. Let's hope we can get a good fire out of this. It's ripping. Right, my water's boiled. just perfect. This fire is an absolute killer. So I suppose the sum of it is janky, but it is solid and it is waterproof, and the fire works and the warm, so I guess this is a win. Over time we will add to this. I think we're going to put some shelves up. Above here there is space in the eaves, as it were, so I think we can store wood up there, or we can put some shelves up there and store anything up there really. It's away from the deer as well, so, but we'll see how long it lasts. So far it looks pretty good, I'm quite happy with it. Alright, the fire's pretty much burnt down. Let's go and check out Charlie's den. Let's go and see what his looks like. Because obviously it's been raining. Let's see how the tarp's been keeping it dry. Yeah, it's definitely dry, you can see the difference. Let's have a look. Just slipped on my... What's it? Okay. Wow, it's looking really good. Charlie built all this on his own. A really, really good job. I think he'll be happy to see it still here. Check out this hole. So we pulled a lot of the rocks out here, and Charlie dug this big hole here. There's loads of good rock in there too. We also found a frog in here somewhere. Or a toad. He's gone. Well, both these shelters have done really well. They both stand in the weather. Excellent. All this next on the list is to build a wood store, like a proper dry wood store. I'm going to start cutting all this down. We could chop it up, and then next year it'd be perfect. In fact, well, some of it would be good for the winter, but definitely needs to be done. That flue pipe doing its job, smoking away. Ah, this thing's brilliant. Right, that's it. I think we're going to head out. Just wanted to do a quick update just to check this place out, make sure it's all still stood here. A part of me thought that the wind's going to get underneath it and just lift it all off and take it away, but it is actually looking okay. It's looking good, this den's looking good. Fire stick. Right, time to pack up and bounce.